Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn how to ask question with have, has and had. At first, look at the structure. Have, has and had plus subject plus third form of verb plus object plus interrogative sign. Okay, now let's see first example of have. Have you gone to school? Have they taken dinner? Have I reached the address? Have you completed the work? Have you sent the parcel? Have you eaten? Have you done the work? Have we arrived? Have you repaired the car? Have they bought the house? Have I called you? Have you written the letter? Have you taken preparation? Have you tried to speak English? Have your parents come? Now let's see how to ask question with has. Has Johnny come? Has she gone to school? Has he fed the cat? Has it eaten? Has he forgotten me? Has she cooked? Has anybody done anything? Has nobody informed you? Has she done the homework? Has your friend sold the car? Okay, now we will see how to ask question with had. Had I arrived there? Had they done the project work? Had she completed her study? Had he forgotten her? Had we agreed the decision? Had the boy stolen the bag? Had you repaired the car? Had we invited them? Had nobody called you? Had he visited his sister? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to watch more video.